Okay, I'm gonna do another McDonald's review. We're gonna see what we have here. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Just real quick, this is I'll put the location of this bigger one. There's, I don't know how many there are. I'll try to research that later. And one of the things I'm going to show you right away is there's a lot of French fries that are sitting out, so they like to pre-cook them, let them sit for a long time. So we'll just see. I just came in and ordered already, so I'm just kind of waiting, and here comes my food. There's all the French fries sitting there. There's about 7 or 8. Let's see. So let's take a look. So we'll bring these up, and we'll see what kind of food we get. This is a nice eating area, so let's see here. Let's see where we can sit. This will sit. This will sit right here. Let's go all the way in the back here. So let's take a look and see what we got here. Okay, actually that looks alright. There's an onion in there. But generally it looks like it's going to be okay. French fries are alright too. Okay, so actually I took a bite, and the bread is kind of soggy on the bottom, which means it's probably been sitting there for a while. The top is a little bit hard. Taste doesn't taste fresh, but it's not like awful like the last two that I had. French fries do taste like they've been sitting there for a while. Definitely not fresh, but they're not terrible either. Basically, I guess if I had to rank it, maybe I'll do a ranking system later. But anyways, this one is relatively alright. Okay, I should probably develop some kind of scale, so maybe in the future, if there's interested in these videos, I'll put a scale up, and I would say this is pretty mediocre, but it's not awful like some of the other ones. But none of them are fresh that I've encountered, so if I do encounter a fresh one, it might be interesting. Anyways, we'll conclude with this one, and if you're more interested in me pursuing it, let me know. This is the third one that I've done of this kind, so.
Toma cuidado la